All right, as for the trailer, I got the boards out and I got the piece of angle that was holding the boards in. That kind of went across the whole side right there. I got that out. I got all the vertical members on this side where the dividers sat. I got all those out. That's still pretty solid and good. There's a couple holes right here that I'm looking to clean up. I'll cut them out, put some more metal in them, and then probably put a piece of strap along the whole bottom there. That one too. I cut that one out. I cut that out. I cut that one right up there out. There was a divider up here. There's the bracket for it. I cut that out. There was also a small piece of angle up here I cut out. That was pretty rusted. And then I got this. This is very rusted. I really don't even trust it. I'm debating over cutting the whole piece out and just putting a new piece of metal in there, or cutting out the major parts and kind of maybe patching it like I'm doing everywhere else, and then maybe putting another piece of metal on top of it, or board or something like that. I'm not sure. Still pondering that. And then of course I still have a lot of rust removal along all these joints. I got the POR that I'm going to put over all this when I'm done, but I have a lot more wire brushing to do when I take away all the electrical, because I'm going to run new electrical, but it's coming along. I got most of this stuff wire wheeled, but then of course I got brackets off, so I'm going to go over it again, but like I wire wheeled that and stuff, so I think it's coming along pretty good. I'm only doing it for like 30 minutes to an hour every couple days in between work, so that's what I'm working on now. All right, more to come.